How to post in Bilibili Community. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the home page and look for the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to see your posting options. You will see several options like audio room, upload video, share post, and write blog. To post in a community, select share post. Then write your content, add images, tags, or emojis to make your post more engaging. After completing your post, tap submit. Your post will now be visible to the members of the Bilibili community and other users can like, comment, and interact with it. By posting regularly, you can actively participate in discussions, share your thoughts, and connect with other Bilibili community members. Now you know how to post in Bilibili community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.